More and more small and medium businesses are turning to international markets to source at the most competitive rates and to increase their profits. However, balancing seller payment terms and cash flow is hard. Importers often turn to banks, but current solutions are rigid, slow, or expensive, often with hidden fees. That's why we created Modify, the digital trade finance platform that pays your suppliers immediately on your behalf, so you can delay payments by 30, 60, or 90 days. All this at attractive rates and without the need for collateral. At Modify, we make import financing flexible, fast, and transparent. The process is simple. First, register with Modify. Once onboarded, upload your purchase order to the Modify hub. Choose your payment terms. Modify will pay the seller as per your instructions. The goods are shipped, and you pay Modify back on your agreed terms. Need more time? Just extend the repayment term by 30 days. Visit modify.com today to unlock growth and discover a better way to manage your capital. Modify, digital trade finance for your business.